Hello everyone and welcome to this demo on Zoho Creator 𝗕𝗂. Today I am going to walk you through how 𝗕𝗂, the AI powered assistant built into Zoho Creator, helps you quickly create application and forms using plain natural language. Whether you are a developer or a business user, 𝗕𝗂 takes the complexity out of an app development and makes the process faster, smarter and easier. For this session, we will focus especially on application creation and form creation, two of the most powerful and time-saving features 𝗕𝗂 offers. 𝗕𝗂 stands for Zoho's Intelligence Assistant. Inside Zoho Creator, 𝗕𝗂 acts like a co-developer, helping you create an entire application using simple English, suggest and create fields automatically, save time by reducing manual setup, make app development accessible to everyone. Now let's see 𝗕𝗂 in action. Let's start by creating a new application using 𝗕𝗂. Once I hit this create option, a chat-like interface where I can simply describe what I need. So I will type So here I have typed that I want to build an app employee management application. So after adding a description, you need to hit the start building button. So 𝗕𝗂 will review a description that was entered in the previous screen and will automatically populate data models for the related application. So we can review the data model which has been created by 𝗕𝗂 and we can hit this create application button here. So the application has been created, so we can access this application. So you can see that in seconds, 𝗕𝗂 generates a full application with pre-built modules such as dashboards, attendance, performance evaluations, leave request, notification, benefits and etc. Each module comes with a forms and report to view, manage and visualize your data. There is no need to manually define tables or fields. 𝗕𝗂 takes care of everything based on your description. This smart automation helps you move your idea to working app in minutes. Now let's add a new form to this application by using 𝗕𝗂. To add a new form, you need to hit this edit this application icon. Then you need to hit this plus icon here to create a new form. So I'm just choosing the form and I would like to create a form using 𝗕𝗂. So again a text like description will open up, so that here we need to add our description. So I have added that I need to create a new form to capture the employee salary details. So after adding our description, we need to hit this suggest form fields. So in the meantime, 𝗕𝗂 processes this and immediately shows a list of suggested fields, each with the predefined data types. Here with the 𝗕𝗂 recommendations like employee ID, salary, bonus details. If we can also select and unselect the fields that we need. So after reviewing all this, we need to hit this create form. Once I confirm the selection, 𝗕𝗂 instantly creates a form with the correct fields and data types and labels, all set up and ready to use. The best part, 𝗕𝗂 even generates a default report for the form, so I can immediately start viewing and analyzing the data. You can see the report that was created for that particular form. So thanks for watching this video.